Hey GadInsider crew! Apple just dropped iPadOS 17.7.8 and it's packing some serious security fixes for your iPad. From AirDrop flaws to iCloud hacks, this update is a must-have. Let's break it down. Imagine your iPad leaking data through AirDrop or crashing out of nowhere. Scary, right? Apple's latest update patches those holes and more, but it's only for a few iPads. Stick around to find out if yours is on the list. On May 19, 2025, Apple rolled out iPadOS 17.7.8, build number 21H440, and it's all about locking down security. This update targets three specific iPad models: the 2017 iPad Pro 12.9-inch, the iPad Pro 10.5-inch, and the 2018 iPad. If you're rocking one of these, you'll want to hit that update button ASAP. The Star Fix: a nasty AirDrop bug that lets apps snoop on arbitrary file metadata, basically peeking at data they shouldn't. Apple slapped on stricter permissions to shut that down. No more sneaky apps prying into your files. There's more. A double free issue in the audio component was causing random system crashes. Super annoying. Apple improved the checks to keep things stable. Plus, they fixed a flaw in iCloud document sharing that could have let hackers turn on folder sharing without your permission. The kernel wasn't safe either. Apps could leak sensitive kernel state, corrupt memory, or crash the system. Apple tackled this by removing vulnerable code, tightening memory handling, and boosting memory management. Translation: your iPad's now tougher against attacks and more stable. So iPadOS 17.7.8 isn't about flashy new features, it's about keeping your device secure and running smoothly. If you've got one of those supported iPads, this update's a no-brainer. It's Apple doubling down on privacy and performance, and that's a win for us all. Alright, GadInsider fam, that's everything you need to know about iPadOS 17.7.8. Are you updating your iPad right now? Or are you bummed your model didn't make the cut? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get this combo going. If you're obsessed with Apple news and tech updates, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more GadInsider content. We're covering every big release, so don't miss out.